Let's unbox the latest gaming tablet, the RedMagic Tablet 5 Pro. It's a gaming tablet, and RedMagic has really put a lot of effort into gaming. They make gaming phones, and now they're making gaming tablets. What's most important for a gaming tablet? Here it is. First, as a gaming tablet, it can't be too big. It's 9-inch OLED display screen, otherwise it'll be tiring to hold, right? Its size is perfect and it's not too heavy, making it ideal for gaming. And the one-click game start button is still there. There's a Type-C charging port so you can charge while playing, although you probably won't use this feature much because the tablet has a very large 8,300 mAh battery, so battery life won't be a problem. The body is made with a unibody design. Take a look at the craftsmanship. The details are incredibly well done. You can probably guess what this is, right? A fan. Can you guess what this is? Liquid cooling. Air cooling combined with liquid cooling, internal circulation. That's what sets the RedMagic gaming tablet apart from other tablets. Okay, activated. The design features equal bezels on all four sides, making the camera a bit small because the top bezel is incredibly narrow. The overall screen quality is truly outstanding, no wonder it's designed for gaming. The scrolling is incredibly smooth. Let's take a look at the overall screen quality. The clarity is amazing. We'll need to test the games for a few days before we can release a review. Okay, let's see how the liquid cooling works. Okay, let's check out the cool effects in night mode. Isn't it incredibly cool? No wonder it's a gaming phone manufacturer. Experience the joy of starting a game with a single click. This is amazing. The visual and operational experience of gaming on a tablet is completely different from playing on a phone. The visual space is much larger, the operational space is much greater, and the battery life is much longer. I'll do a detailed review later, including a more in-depth look at the teardown of the water cooling structure. Let's take a look at the included accessories. It still has the signature red RedMagic cable, and then there's the charger. This charger supports up to 100 watts supercharge. RedMagic really has a very consistent design language. Almost every generation looks the same, very stylish. RedMagic's accessories are also very well made. The RedMagic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro will be available in black and silver color options. Its standout feature is a transparent rear panel that exposes parts of the internal cooling structure, creating a more futuristic appearance. The tablet also integrates an RGB lighting system linked to the cooling setup, with lighting effects that respond to performance activity during use. The frame houses standard volume controls along with a dedicated red-colored hardware button positioned on the side. On the front, the tablet adopts a full-screen design without any visible display cutouts. Combined with slim bezels, the layout is aimed at delivering a more immersive viewing and gaming experience. Tablet 5 Pro features a 9-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1504 pixels. The panel supports a refresh rate of up to 185 Hz, which should help provide smoother visuals in fast-paced games. Compared to traditional LCD panels, the OLED screen is to offer deeper contrast, richer colors, and faster response times. This would be a major highlight against the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 5, which sports an LCD display. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 flagship processor, but it's not the leading version that powers the RedMagic 11S Pro series. To keep temperatures under control during extended gaming sessions, the device pairs the chipset with an active liquid cooling system. It is also packed up to 24 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage, and an 8,300 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging support. The RedMagic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro is set to make its official debut on June 30th. With its transparent design, RGB cooling effects, and flagship specifications, it appears to be targeting gamers looking for both performance and visual flair. The Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, which is to have a different name in the global market, has a similar design to the last gen RedMagic Astra. One primary difference is the RGB water cooling strip on the back. So this is RedMagic Astra Gen 2 for global market.